What's up you guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how to make clothing brand designs with AI. Not only is it very simple, I also do it for my own brand as well. And I'm going to be showing you guys the full process and how I do it, and also how I even get the source files to get it manufactured. And you won't even believe how crazy AI is nowadays. You can basically have AI do the entire job for you. Now the first thing you want to do is find a design that you want to make. What I do and most brand owners do is they go on Pinterest and look at different designs in their niche. So for my brand specifically, I'm more of like a grunge goth streetwear kind of look. So what I would do is just search up grunge streetwear on Pinterest and just look at the designs here. And you want to just scroll and find a product that you want to make. So for this video, what I kind of want to make right now is this camo pants. But I'm going to add to it and see what AI can cook up for me. So since I want to make like a camo pants, I'm going to search that up on Pinterest right now. And then you also want to make sure you search up flat lay. Sweet, we have some over here. So I found these camo pants I like right here. It's kind of like an Arctic vibe. So what I'm going to do is click on it. And it might bring you to a website because most of the time it is other people's product that they're selling. But don't worry, we're not going to plagiarize it. What we're going to do is just right click and save the image. And after we have it downloaded, we're going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to show you guys what AI can do with this. Alright, now that you downloaded the photo, you're just going to want to upload it into ChatGPT. Before we get started on cooking up this design, I will let you know that you do need ChatGPT Plus. You can use the free ChatGPT, but I do believe you can only make 3 images per day. When we're working with AI to make a whole clothing brand design, you're going to need a lot more than 3 images. But before you click off the video, let me show you how useful it is to have ChatGPT Plus. And I think it's only like $8 per month anyway, so it's definitely worth the investment. But here's what we're gonna do. So the first thing I want to do is actually fix the clothing layout here. I kind of don't like how one of the legs are kind of folded up, so I'm going to tell ChatGPT what I want. Alright, so this is the prompt that I cooked up for AI. I also wanted it on an ultra realistic concrete flat ground, and boom, it did it perfect. Now you can also check the image out, see what you like, see what you don't like, make some more adjustments. One thing we have to get rid of is the brand label over here, so we're going to do that right now. Get rid of the brand label at the very top. And perfect, it just got rid of the brand label right there. And isn't this just crazy how AI can do this nowadays? Like, you don't even need to pay for Adobe Photoshop anymore or Canva. You can even take this design and sell it online right now. But I don't want to stop there. I want to make this a full-on great design. So what I'm going to do is a simple prompt. And this is something I really emphasize on is value boosters. It's stuff like distressing, like rhinestones, embroidery. It just adds value to the product and value to the customer. So if you were a customer, you would think this product would be more expensive if it had distressing on it than just this simple design we have on the screen right now. So this is just a couple of things I'm going to tell the AI to do, and we're going to see what it does with this. Alright, so this is what it generated. Let's take a look at this. Okay, honestly, there's a lot of things on here that I don't like, so I'm going to tell the AI to make another variation, but this is kind of the gist of it. Look at what it can add to it. Alright, so since I didn't like the design, here's another prompt that I'm giving it. I just didn't like all these chains and stuff because realistically, manufacturers aren't going to be able to produce that. Also, this is another thing that you have to make sure you tell the AI, that you need this design to have photo source files so that a manufacturer can actually make this. There's no point in making a design that a manufacturer can't even produce, because at that point you're just selling a product that you can't even promise to your customer, and you end up just getting sued or just getting a lot of chargebacks from banks. But yeah, let's just submit this. Alright, so it literally just got rid of the chain. So what I'm going to do is just put another design on it, and then for the sake of the video, I'm going to show you guys what you do next. Just so you guys know, this is for the sake of the video, nor do I actually like this design. But basically this is just what you guys are going to want to do with your final product. You're just going to want to ask ChatGPT to get the photo source files. So sometimes it gives you the actual photo that you can just download and send to the manufacturer. But sometimes it doesn't do this. It just gives you like a long list of details. So here's the way around that. You're going to want to copy this photo, paste it here. And then you're going to say get rid of the concrete and get rid of the garment. You're just going to want to say this. Basically what this will do is get rid of the concrete, it'll get rid of the actual clothes, the garment, but it'll keep the designs on there. And then once you have the designs on there, you can download that, but I'll show you right here. And boom, it did it right here. You're just going to want to download that. So basically all you would do after this is just show them the image here. This is what you want to get done. And then you just send them the design files here, because these are the only designs that are on this one, but for yours it'll be different. But yeah, that's basically it. You can also ask ChatGPT to make like a whole product details for this. So if you want to put it on the website, oh, can you give me the product details? Or just to tell the manufacturer. If you don't know what kind of quality this is, you can just ask them. And yeah, it'll just tell you right here what it is. You could tell your manufacturer how you want it made or whatever. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how you make full-on designs with AI. Isn't it crazy how easy that is? But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. I just made this video to show you guys how easy it is to make designs nowadays. And it's also cheaper than Adobe too, which is crazy. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's very simple, very easy, and you can even get the source files for it. But yeah, make sure to like the video if you guys liked it. Comment down below any questions you guys have. And if you also have any other videos you want me to make, comment them down below. And if this is hard for you, you need help starting it or scaling your brand, you could comment down below or message me on Instagram. I do have a one-on-one mentorship, and these are some of the things that I show my clients as well. But there's also many other strategies that you can use to make designs nowadays. And I hope this video helps you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching.